wrong once, baby. A melody that seemed to last. Now you're just fragments, pieces I can't hold. I keep the pieces in my chest, where my heart used to beat. Each one cuts a little deeper. Each one reminds me you're gone. These are the pieces of a broken forever. The dreams we built that shattered slow. Baby, I'm collecting all the pieces, but I can't make them whole. We were forever, till forever fell apart. Now I'm holding pieces of a love that broke my heart. I see you in the morning light, I hear you in the rain. You're everywhere and nowhere, baby. You're my pleasure and my pain. The pieces fit together once. We made a perfect thing, but perfect never lasts forever. And now there's nothing left to sing. Would you come back to me, baby? Would you remember how we used to hurt? But some things